was. Please, if you can hear me, I would like that to respond. Can you hear me? I need your response, your reactions. Okay, okay, that's good. So that means you can hear me very well. Okay. Oh yeah. In the last class, I was in the last class. That was the class you took yesterday with my colleagues, Mr. Jasalu Atobi, and I I was in the class where he talked about a lot of things, which I believe that you all learned a lot from that class. Okay, today I'll be taking it further. We'll be looking at some advanced uh, feature in Microsoft Excel. I have to tell you this, today's class is going to be somehow intense because of all of what we are going to look at in today's class. So I will need your attention. I will need that you give me a rapt attention as we go along in this class. So I'm going to be working with some workbooks and worksheets, okay, which will later be sent to you so that you can practice on your own. Okay, don't mind the noise in the background. Over here, we have rain is currently falling over here. I don't know if it could get through, but that is the noise. If you are hearing any noise from the background, it's probably the noise of the rain. Okay, but I think you can hear me. So let's just go straight right into it. All right. Now let me share with you my entire screen. Again, I will need that you follow me as we go along in this class. I will need your attention so that you can get something tangible in today's class. Okay, in the last class, you looked at some formulas, you know, some other thing in Excel. And for us to go further, writing formulas in Excel, and without not looking at the type of reference in Excel, would not make good justice to your formula writing skill in Excel. So here I have a little table called 20% value added tax. That's 20% VAT. So we have in the table, we have the bicycle models. These contain different models of bicycle. We have the price, that's the unit price for each model. Then we have the number of units sold. We have the total. The total here is the price multiplied by the number of units sold. So if you double click on this total, you're going to find that cell E5 is multiplied by cell F5. Okay, that is price multiplied by units sold. And as you go downward, you will find that the formula is the same all through to the last cell here. So we want to calculate the VAT. That's the value added tax on the sales. And we have the information that the VAT is 20%. Okay, so to write that, we start out with equals to. Remember, whenever you're writing out the formula in Excel, you start out by writing equals to in the cell that you want to have the formula or the result. Now we have equals to this total. To get the VAT will be 20% of the total. That is the sales. Okay. So we're gonna say this total, we're gonna select this cell, multiply by multiplication in Excel is the asterisk operator. Total multiplied by 20%, that is 0.2. Okay. So I'm just gonna hit enter. Now you can see we have the VAT of $1,537.80 on the sales of $7,689. So let's use the feature in Excel called Flash Fill to complete the rest of the formula. This feature called flash fill, it helps you to complete your formula instead of writing again in this cell and saying equals to, then the total multiplied by 20%. And doing that for the remainder of the cells in the VAT, you can actually use the flash fill. So to use the flash fill, you click on the cell where you have the formula, then you go to the bottom right, this notch over here, black plus sign, then you click, hold, and drag down, okay, to your last cell. Then it's